Welcome back to the shed for some more pretengineering. It's not real engineering. Can't be in this shed. Can't swing a bloody cat in here. Strap yourself in for this cutting edge project, because today we're going to be making a knife. This is going to be a two-part video on making a knife. This will be the first knife I've made in a couple of years. But knife making is a lot like riding a bike. You never fully forget how to do it. It's just that this is like riding a very sharp and dangerous bike. I have used a belt grinder for various projects, but never knife making, so that hopefully this video is relevant to people who are just getting started with belt grinding, because literally this is my first time as well. This is the belt grinder I'll be using. It's homemade. It takes 2-inch by 72-inch belt, 2 horsepower motor. Let's see how it performs. When I started making knives in a shed many years ago, it was another thing. Knives today don't roll the bone. Back in my day, there are a ton of videos out there on how to make knives. But some of the guys that really stood out for me when I was starting off was Goth Customs, Walter Sorrells and Trollsky. Great set of lads. Well worth a look at the channel. And I'll put links to the channel in the description below the video. I'll actually be using Walter Sorrells' knife grinding jig to make the knife in this video. And the stuff I'll be using to make this knife is 01 tool steel, 6mm stainless steel rod, 6mm stainless steel tube. It's about a 1.2mm wall thickness. That'll be for the lanyard. Some handle material. This is natural wood, olive tree. This is micarta, which is a resin and cloth mixture pressed together, hardened. Provides a very durable waterproof finish. Going to need some epoxy. I use 5-minute clear epoxy. It doesn't have to be Gorilla. Cut your stock to size, but leave the stock a square so you can drill these holes a lot easier. So now I'm going to scribe what will be the blade edge using a 4mm drill bit, because this is 4mm stock. It's going to scribe 2 lines. Two tram lines. They're probably 1/2 mil to 3/4 mil. Focus, you bastard. That's going to let me know how much meat I need to leave on this edge for when I heat treat. You don't want too thin of an edge, because it'll warp and crack, or it'll increase the chances of it warping and cracking. textbook. Not even bolted down, this bloody thing. Look at that. Engineering that is.